How do you take a broken handrail from this to this? Or a bath from leaking water to seemingly brand new? Well, you hire an expert snagging technician. This is snagging, the act of finding and repairing minor, and sometimes quite major, faults in new house builds, existing homes, offices, public spaces, and literally any other location you can think of. An expert snagging technician can save a house building company literally tens of thousands of pounds in damages, as site managers and homeowners can circumvent the need to replace expensive items and materials, not to mention hefty installation costs. Today we're taking a look at some industry-standard snagging repairs provided by Snag Doctors John Lee and Chris Taylor and their extensive franchise network. Snag Doctor franchisees work with the UK's largest house builders, as well as servicing a huge number of different types of clients. From caravan sites to train stations to inner-city skyscrapers, they do it all. Without further ado, here's our top list of snagging repairs. We start off with some incredible door repairs. You wouldn't know they were ever damaged. These Snag Doctor technicians can repair actual broken tiles to look new. This genuinely looks like a magic trick, and we're still not sure how they've done it. They can also repair stone, and tint it back to its original color. Not only that, they can repair porcelain. There's nothing they can't fix. One of the most common fixes is to wooden items. Check these out. We'll finish off with some hard plastic repairs. Wait until the end for an incredible electric box repair. That's our list of super impressive snagging repairs, and that's not even everything they do. If you're interested in learning more about the repairs you could be making as a Snag Doctor franchisee, click the link in the description to download the Snag Doctor prospectus and find out what else you could be repairing, the industries you'd be servicing, and the earnings potential of this lucrative industry. If you'd prefer to learn more here on YouTube, then we've got you covered too. Check out our Snag Doctor playlist here.